Life 4, Exercise 2.
I suppose that in one way we could say that all animals have to be experts at what they do. If they weren't, well, they wouldn't survive. The truth is that the day-to-day life of most animals is about finding something to eat while trying not to become food for another animal. So we could say that, for example, the polar bear or the lion is an expert hunter, or the chameleon is an expert at camouflage. But some animals seem to us to be particularly skilled. These are the ones that seem to be able to take their expertise to a different level, especially in a laboratory or a controlled study environment. Let's take the octopus as an example. These marine animals can do extraordinary things in their natural habitat. The common octopus can almost instantaneously mimic the colors, patterns, and even textures of its surroundings. Predators swim by without even noticing it. And if a predator does notice it, the octopus squirts a cloud of black ink at the predator, which gives it just enough time to get quickly away. But we can see how clever the octopus really is when we take it out of its natural environment and bring it into the laboratory. Put a nice tasty food item like a shrimp in a closed jar and then put the jar in a tank. Next, put an octopus in the tank as well. It will actually take the lid off the jar to get at the shrimp. So not only does the octopus work out how to get into the jar, it also has the physical ability to do it. And that's not all. At a laboratory in Seattle, in the United States, a giant Pacific octopus was actually getting out of its tank at night, going to the other tanks, eating the fish in them, and then going back to its own tank. It was only the trail of water on the floor that gave the laboratory staff a clue to what was going on.